welcome back to another episode. Explosive Kitty here, and I promised kitty content, so here it is. Today we're on a website called catbounce.com. Ooh, let's make it rain. It's beautiful. Let's make it bigger so we can enjoy more cats. Oh my god, so many cute cats. Make it rain. Oh my god, it's beautiful. The rainbow is beautiful. Oh my god. They're just like so cute. Oh my god, they're like falling from the sky. Oh my god, there's rainbows again. I want to catch one. Dang it. Didn't work. This website's amazing. Oh, this poor kitty. There we go. Now he's bouncing. This game, oh my gosh. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Let's make it rain. Rainbow cats! This game is so beautiful. This is like my favorite website ever. What the what? Okay, this is just so adorable. Wait, I want to try to grab one. There we go. Cat bounce. You better bounce. This is so cool. Oh, good. I think that's